Alqubit, IT as an expression of art.
Hello world! I'm here again. Today, very interesting live production. Exactly after a month from my last one, 14 and 15 of March. Too long. I've had a very exciting test yesterday, today, and I have the beautiful FairLight live operational. The audio is completely through FairLight, and I want to show off a little bit here and there. I still have to learn it deeply, but I'm at a good point, I have to say. Let me show. This is the interface. Let me start from the beginning because I need to warm up yet and enter into the... I have implemented with FairLight the possibility to lower the music while I'm speaking. That before wasn't feasible. And let's show here and there. Here is my beautiful super source emulation. I'm with OBS. I'm transmitting in H.265 on YouTube. Let me just double check that everything is going on. Yes, it looks like everything is fine. I'm here just to... Okay, the audio is present. I can do my live production with all the concentration necessary. So, big news yesterday. Big announcement. We are all grateful with this music as a tribute to the live update from yesterday, the music from Blackmagick design. I used it immediately, obviously. And what has been done? At the beginning, under developer, you need to download the Atom software control version 10.3 beta 1, if I'm not wrong. It works. I have updated it straightforward, no issues, no big deals. I had to reset the configurations, startup configuration once because I had some doubts. But it works, everything works. The one is Atom software control. You download it, you install it, next. and update the firmware of Atem Mini Pro, Extreme, whatever it is. After that, you download the FairLight. Let me see if today is here. Anyways, if you can download it directly from the FairLight Live. You can download it from here. The package is let me see. The package is straightforward. You have this couple of gig file, and you need to install it. Atem software control needs to be uninstalled before the new installation. This is the procedure. It's not upgrade in place. FairLight, and it appears I will open here that is not connected because I had to install it on yes, because I have done different tests. What I had one thing to troubleshoot. I have all my cables 15 meters and USB as well. And unfortunately, even though they are with repeaters and everything, it doesn't work. It is getting here lower. Not good connection, error connection. And I've got my laptop here that is this interface. That is this interface, and I installed it and I have it in front of me on my laptop. And my laptop is ridiculous as properties. Let me see. Now live with the very old HP is 300 megs, something like 15%, nothing. And it works perfectly. But what is the peculiarity? That you need to use end-to-end short cable. My cable is 50 centimeters. Otherwise, it has this throughput of the USB audio is going into error. You need to use one-to-one. And this is not operational here. Only as I have configured it, tried, but the operational is the other. On Atem software control, what is changing? That you lose completely any control directly and on the control surface of Atem Mini. Everything is managed through FairLight. But you see that it is great, and this thing appears here. External USB audio active. How you need to proceed? connection, no. With Atem setup, you do the setup. I have interruptions of the signal today. Yes, it is improvised. You're going here, general. And it is always somehow it's going into the default, not as I want it to have, but anyway, it works. You have this option here, webcam output and USB digital audio. On the Pro version, your USB is completely gone with this. It is dedicated, cannot be used in any way other than digital audio. And you save the thing. Obviously, you do the save and save startup. All your previous equalization, dynamics, limiters are not taken into account. You need to redo everything anew inside completely inside the FairLight. So whatever you have done, forget it. You need to recreate it. It doesn't take anything, doesn't import anything. I'm using the control surface of Behringer that works perfectly with FairLight Live, and I'm using it absolutely. I can show you that. I will disable the audio. And I can move the audio, but it is here. It's this is absolutely out of the game. Do not consider. And moving to the next one. How you need to configure it, Atem switcher here. There are a lot of advanced configurations. Atem switcher. And I have configured it on the other. I will show, but I need to go forward in order to reach the laptop. Easy going with the cables and everything to improvise the production. You set here my key compatible, and after that touch compact on the other, and say, for the good people of Blackmagick, I have discovered a little visualization bug. When you change something, let me change some. Reboot, resolve to activate the changes. This is obviously the piece of resolve that has been taken and has been optimized. We are very happy with that. And it shows resolve. If you need to keep it resolved, good. I'm happy with that. Once you have connected it, you need to configure the show, and there are options here. And I have chosen, because I'm with my Atem Mini Pro, I have chosen Atem Mini Pro and it creates everything by default. Let me create another one. And it creates this thing. Pre-built. And you adapt, fine-tune and everything. And it works. Next step. I'm super happy. Congratulations for the idea. We are grateful to Blackmagick, absolutely, for DaVinci Resolve evolution and for all this Blackmagick, for the Blackmagick sorceress to keep going and have fun and doing my live production at my best. Thank you. I will continue to do my best to represent it and educate the community. So I don't use this. I can basically close it. Let me go. Unfortunately, I will not. Let me see. I will need to adapt a little bit in order to be able to be seen. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Now, how I need to proceed? This one, this one, this one. So let me do my best. Unfortunately, let me. It is improvised. I will enable my lavalier. Hello, hello. In order to have the sound. The configuration is more or less absolutely the same. There are a lot of options, much more advanced, but those are. I have recreated basically the same configuration to have my starting point. It behaves much better. The entire thing of the music, the dynamics, the expander, compressor. Here you can, how it's called, Dagi or whatever. Now, if I talk, the music is going down. You see that it is activating the compression. On Atem, you don't have this functionality. And a lot, many others. You have the graphical representation of the signal. Cities in DaVinci Resolve. The microphone I have recreated for now absolutely the same. I will fine tune it with my deep dive that will be related to the characteristics and much more advanced features I have subtractive equalization and the corrective boost on the roll off of the frequencies of this mic. That from 8K is going down. So I'm boosting it. And it works perfectly. I will enable and disable all the buttons on my unfortunately I didn't had enough time and inspiration to do the big work. Eventually I will do another video much more deep dive extended with control surface here in order to be seen, to have real-time interactive representation, but all the buttons are working. Let me see. You see that my mic is the fader is working. Everything is working. I can disable, mute it. Pronto. I can. This is for the monitoring. It has a very advanced feature. I still need to understand. The manual is not yet present inside the package, so I need to do this thing, and I have complete control. Absolutely. This is the camera from there, and everything works. There are a lot of plugins. Hello. How do you think it is? And you can play with all this stuff and getting lost basically. It is really super fun. It is very advanced. Let me disable this mic. Because it is too much. And the graphic is, unfortunately, my server is too far and I cannot use this advanced feature that is extremely cool with video IO that I'm supposing I will be able to have the demo interface with all the things of FairLight Live through the Intensity Pro, through some of the Blackmagick IO devices, and on the laptop I'm not able, and for now for me it's impossible to connect in a reliable way to the server. It is very noisy. It is in my home office. And there is no too much thing to the fine tuning is extreme. You have a lot to do, a lot of things to optimize, but this is this and with this my control surface from Behringen is touch compact. I'm having all the physical control on the FairLight, and I can move everything. I can move the master, change everything. Obviously, only the audio on off, not the advanced as it is with Atem Mini Extreme G2. You need to buy FairLight console for those. And this it works absolutely. It works, and I'm super happy. And I have in real time the laughs and everything as it was supposed to do. And my previous guidance of how to obtain minus 14 laughs, attention, very high volume, is this thing. I will push up the volume in order to see that it will be minus 14 laughs. So my guidance, fine-tuning, optimization from previous months is everything is validated. It is in that way. And this is a very, very short video because what is 30 minutes? My live production is going on, my recording, everything is fine. And let me return to here. And I hope it is useful. I'm completely set. Everything is working. And I'm going on like crazy. And I will do much better optimized and we extend the usage of the advanced fixtures. It is very advanced. This is absolutely tremendous, very advanced. Thank you very much again. We'll see you soon again. And it's been fun. It is fun. And we'll see soon to my next live production. Thank you very much. And now let me organize my outro. Here. Bye to the next.
Alqubit. IT as an expression of art. Alqubit. IT as an expression of art.